How are fractions, decimals, and percents related? Think about this question during the lesson. Each portion of time Teddy spends on his homework is shown in the bar diagram. He spends 30% of his time reading, 3/5 of his time doing math problems, and 10/100 or 1/10 of his time doing research for science. Fractions, decimals, and percents are 3 ways to show parts of a whole. Write 30% as a fraction and a decimal, and write 10/100 as a fraction and percent.
You can use reasoning to write quantities as a fraction, decimal, or percent.
Write 30% as a fraction and as a decimal. A percent compares a number to 100, so write the percent as a fraction with 100 as the denominator. Why is 30% written as 30/100? Why can you rewrite 30/100 as 3/10? 30% is written as 30/100 because a percent represents a part of 100. You can rewrite 30/100 as 3/10 because they are equivalent. You divide both the numerator and denominator by the same power of 10. You can write a fraction with a denominator of 10 or 100 as a decimal. What is an equivalent decimal for the fractions shown?
Select your answer.
30% can be written as 30/100, or 3/10 and 30/100, or 3/10. Write 10/100 as a fraction and as a percent. The number compared to 100 is the percent. You can also write an equivalent fraction. 10/100 can also be written as 10/100, or 1/10 and 10%. Now you know how fractions, decimals, and percents are related.